other one arthadam. He says that this life is very valuable, very rare, but it is also temporary. Because it is very rarely obtained, it is not permanent. It is also temporary, like cats and dogs. They have got their temporary body. But the one significance of this body is arthadam. Arthadam means you can derive the greatest value in this life. Arthadam. Artha means money, and paramartha means spiritual concept. That is also artha. So, one should be engaged for earning money, because the body requires material necessity, that's all right. But his real attention should be how to achieve spiritual consciousness or Krishna consciousness. That is arthadam. That is the value of life.